Inside you lies a story billions of years old. A code written in 4 simple letters, A, T, C, and G, yet powerful enough to create every living thing on Earth. This isn't just biology. It's the language of life itself, and it's far more mysterious than we ever imagined. Today, we'll unlock the hidden code that defines your past, your future, and your very existence. These are 10 crazy facts about DNA and genetics, the secret code of life that controls everything. Fact 1. You're 99.9% the same as everyone else. No matter where you come from, your DNA is almost identical to every other human being on Earth. That 0.1% difference? It's what gives you your eye color, your personality, your height, everything that makes you you. But here's the wild part. You share 60% of your DNA with a banana, 85% with a mouse, and 98.8% with a chimpanzee. You're not just human. You're part of a genetic continuum that stretches across all life on Earth. Fact 2. DNA can survive for tens of thousands of years. Scientists have extracted DNA from woolly mammoths frozen for over 30,000 years. That means your genetic code could outlive you by millennia. In the future, cloning extinct species, even ancient humans, might not be science fiction anymore. Your DNA is your immortality, written in the fabric of time. Fact 3. 1 gram of DNA can store all the world's data. Here's something straight out of science fiction. Scientists can now store digital information inside DNA. Every book, every photo, every piece of data ever created could fit into just 1 gram of DNA. It's the ultimate hard drive, written in life's own alphabet. Fact 4. You carry ancient viruses inside you. Those viral genes became part of our genome and even help build the human placenta today. You are, quite literally, part virus, a walking, talking archive of ancient infections that made life possible. Fact 5. Your DNA could stretch from the Earth to the Sun 600 times. If you took all the DNA in your body and stretched it end to end, it would reach the Sun and back 600 times. That's 150 billion kilometers of genetic information inside you. Every cell carries a universe of data, more complex than anything humanity has ever built. Fact 6. Genes can turn on and off, like light switches. Your DNA doesn't just exist, it reacts. Every meal, every breath, every emotion can activate or deactivate certain genes. This is called epigenetics, and it means your choices today can literally reprogram your biology and even affect your children's DNA. You're not just shaped by your genes, you're shaping them too. Fact 7. Identical twins aren't actually identical. They start with the same DNA, but as they age, mutations, lifestyle, and environment change how their genes express. That's why one twin can develop a disease while the other stays perfectly healthy. Even with the same blueprint, life rewrites the script every day. Fact 8. Your DNA is billions of years old. Your genetic code didn't start with you. It's been passed down since the first life on Earth. The same molecular language in your cells existed in the earliest bacteria 3.5 billion years ago. You're not just living history, you are history. Fact 9. Scientists can now edit DNA and rewrite evolution. With tools like CRISPR, scientists can cut and replace pieces of DNA like editing text in a document. It's curing diseases, designing crops, and could even eliminate genetic disorders forever. But it also raises a terrifying question. What happens when humans start designing life itself? Fact 10. You're 50% you, and 50% not. Half of your body isn't actually you. It's made up of trillions of bacteria, viruses, and microorganisms living in and on you. They outnumber your human cells 10 to 1. Without them, you couldn't digest food, fight infections, or even survive. You're not a single organism. You're an entire ecosystem of life. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought, all written in a code so small, yet so powerful it created everything alive. DNA is more than just biology. It's the poetry of existence, written in molecules. When you look in the mirror, remember, you're not just seeing a person. You're seeing the universe learning to understand itself. If you love this deep dive into the secret code of life, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Because here at Tenlectic, we explore the science of wonder.